carried a torch over river water and glen. Orange glow ballet in current, tar black from autumn in its infancy. Held flame like defiance against the gods that must live above that mist. Smelled the spark and burn, called it pyre and refused to mourn. Listen, whispered through the backs of front teeth, as you searched with ears for the sound made by arriving, despite it all. Held you and led you across the stones. Sparks like seasons rose, brightened, then faded, as all things are built for fading. Stayed there, didn't we? 4 seasons came, 4 seasons gone. Here a year, nearly filled with stillness, stolen by the undoing of all we've done. Still we filled it, somehow with fumbling fingers, with the glue of one another, stony soil in place of sea glass. These 4 walls like the world spread out, stuck here, though we are still there. There where we spoke quiet promises into oncoming storms, where the semicircle of eyes vanished one by one by one, as though blinking from existence. There where it was you, and it was me, and all the rest fell away. Held flame in one hand, held you in the other. 4 seasons gone, and only the hand you held still feels warm.